G'day, I'm Stuart from XClutch, and today I'm going to introduce to you a new range of performance products that we have for the GR 3-cylinder Toyota engine. This engine is found in both the GR Yaris and the new GR Corolla. This platform is proving to be very popular among performance enthusiasts, and as a result we had to develop a range of products to cater for the needs of those enthusiasts. We used our years of experience in building modern performance clutch kits for all different makes and models to develop quite a few different options for this platform. We knew that it would be a tuner enthusiast platform and that people would be wanting to do all different types of drag racing, rally, circuit racing, and then obviously performance street type driving with these vehicles. So we knew we had to have a couple of different options. The first clutch kit in our range is a heavy duty clutch kit to suit the original dual mass flywheel. This is a billet alloy pressure plate that increases the clamping force by 30% and the resultant torque capacity by 30%. The reason we've designed a clutch kit to suit the original dual mass flywheel is to keep the harmonics at absolute bare minimum to make it drive almost like the OEM clutch did. The next clutch in our range is our single mass conversion. This particular clutch uses a similar billet alloy pressure plate, which increases the clamping force by about 30% over the factory clutch, but it also incorporates a single mass flywheel. By incorporating a single mass flywheel, we reduce the overall rotating mass on the back of the engine by about 25%. The downfall in doing that is that you can have a small amount of increased harmonics, which can reduce the drivability for street use. It's not normally a concern for people that are using it for rally or racing use though. There are two different friction material options for the single mass conversion. The first one's an organic, which is like an OEM clutch, except it incorporates some wide angle damper springs to try and cut down the harmonics as much as possible for street use. The second material option is a ceramic friction material, which is purely just for race cars and rally cars where you might want a little bit more thermal capacity. The last clutch in our range is our 184mm or 7¼ twin plate that comes only in ceramic friction material specifically for racing use only. This is purely only for drag cars, time attack cars, or maybe hill climb vehicles or something like that, but strictly not for street use. The twin plate clutch comes with a 4041 chrome moly flywheel, billet alloy cover, billet steel intermediate and main casting, and we only offer that with a sprung hub to reduce the shock loading on the transmission. All of these clutch kits come with the required mounting hardware like brand new concentric slave cylinder, the mounting bolts for the slave cylinder, clutch alignment tool, flywheel bolts, etc. to make sure that the fitment is done correct the first time. We also offer technical documents for the fitter in order to help them fit it and make sure that everything's done up to the right specs.